Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at an Edgetech CTS730 countertop saw. Currently, we have the carriage at 45 degrees, and you are going to have a 31-inch capacity at 45 degrees. At 22.5 degrees, you are going to have 42 inches, and at 90, this machine will achieve 45 inches of capacity. 5 3/4 inch thickness capacity, 5 inches with build down. On this side, you're going to see that you do have the variable miter. That means that you can lock it anywhere on the bar at any degree within its range. On the right-hand side is your carriage lock release. You're simply going to hit this, and that's going to allow you to pivot in either direction. You do have positive stops at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees. If you want to use that variable miter, again, what we're going to do is we're going to release the carriage. We can go in between wherever we want, and then what you can do is you hit your carriage lock, and again, that allows you to lock it at any degree that you want. I'm going to move it back to 0. You do have 4 pneumatic hold downs. Those are adjustable, so you have 2 per side. Again, here, the ones on your right side, fully adjustable. We're going to turn that 5 horsepower saw motor on. Quiet running. It's in forward. This is a double palm actuated machine. So you do have dual palm buttons. So you're going to come in and hit both of those. And your carriage is going to move forward. To return the carriage, you're simply going to hit return, hit both palms again, and your carriage will return. You do have routers for those lock bolts. I'm going to go ahead and turn those on. This is your handle to control them. And of course, you do have an overhead laser. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.